Welcome, friends. Today we bring you a summary of a book that not only teaches how to earn money, but also how to develop the mindset that creates true wealth. The book is The Stoic Path to Wealth by Darius Foroux. This book combines the principles of Stoicism with timeless money wisdom, so you can build both peace and prosperity. Let's begin without any delay. Chapter 1. What is real wealth? Just money or something more? Darius says that wealth isn't just about money. True wealth is a life where you have money, time, freedom, health, and peace of mind. According to Stoic philosophy, external things are not under our control. Only our thoughts and actions are. Example: if you have millions but live in anxiety, jealousy, or constant comparison, are you really rich? Lesson: real wealth equals money plus time plus peace plus purpose. Chapter 2. Mastering yourself. The greatest victory. The Stoics say, "He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior." If you can control your emotions, impulses, and distractions, you can achieve anything. Practical Stoic exercise. Every morning, ask yourself, what will I control today? Choose one thing, like social media, cravings, or overthinking, and focus on improving it. Example: Warren Buffett showed extreme patience and avoided impulsive decisions. That's Stoicism in action. Chapter 3. Time is the ultimate currency. Time greater than money. Darius says, you can earn money again, but never the time you waste. Stoic rule. Live each day as if it's your last. Action points. Do a time audit. See where your time is going. Focus on high-value tasks like reading, deep work, or building relationships. Golden formula. Time spent wisely equals guaranteed future wealth. Chapter 4. Simplicity is the key to richness. Don't buy things you don't need to impress people you don't like. Both Darius and the Stoics believe living a simple life is the real rich life. Benefits of minimalism: more mental clarity, increased savings, joy from fewer but meaningful things. Practical tip: try a decluttering challenge, sell or donate one unused item each week. Chapter 5. Discipline over motivation. Motivation fades, but discipline remains. Darius says, success is not about feeling good, it's about doing what's necessary. Stoic routine includes a purposeful morning, deep distraction-free work, evening reflection, did I live today well? Reminder: discipline equals daily compounding equals long-term wealth. Chapter 6. Wealth creation is a habit, not a one-time event. Building wealth is not about hitting a jackpot, it's about building daily habits. Example: habits. Save 20% of your income. Read 30 minutes daily. Avoid impulse buying. Invest regularly. Stoic principle: focus on your efforts, not the results. When you're consistent with your process, the results will eventually come. Chapter 7. Overcoming fear of failure. Stoicism teaches, prepare for the worst, hope for the best. Darius's advice: write down your fears. Visualize the worst-case scenario. Then take action without fear. Seneca's quote: we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Freedom comes when you understand and accept your fears. Chapter 8. Long-term thinking equals Stoic wealth. In a world chasing quick results, the Stoic path focuses on long-term rewards. Darius's tools: invest in index funds. Build valuable skills over 5 years. Build a strong network without expectations. Rule: more patience equals bigger results. Chapter 9. Mastering your emotions. On the path to wealth, you'll face greed, fear, jealousy, and ego. Avoiding them is part of the Stoic mindset. How to master emotions. Daily journaling, meditation, or quiet reflection. Observing your thoughts without reacting. Key Stoic. Quote: it's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. Chapter 10. Comparison is the thief of joy. Social media makes it look like everyone is successful, but Stoics say, focus on your own journey. Darius's method: try a comparison fast. Don't consume anyone else's content for a week. Write your own goals and focus only on them. Rule: compete with your past self, not others' highlight reels. Chapter 11. Build a healthy relationship with money. Don't worship or hate money. Treat it as a tool. Stoic wealth mindset: money is important, but it's not everything. Don't become its slave or enemy. Use it to buy freedom, not to show off. Golden rule: buy assets, not liabilities. Chapter 12. Strategic laziness. Being busy doesn't mean being productive. Both Stoics and Darius suggest working smart. Example: focus deeply for 2 to 3 hours a day with zero distractions. Use the remaining time to rest, learn, or connect with others. Idea: smart efforts greater than endless hustle. Chapter 13. Live below your means. A proven rule to build wealth. Spend less than you earn and invest the rest. Darius's budget formula. 50% on needs, 30% on investments, 20% on wants. In Stoicism, luxury isn't peace, simplicity is. Chapter 14. The power of saying no. The Stoic path is focused. You can't say yes to everything. Darius says, every yes comes with a hidden cost. Avoid FOMO. Stick to your purpose. Practical. Tip: think first, then decide. Chapter 15. Daily reflection. A Stoic ritual. Every night, evaluate your day. What was productive? Where did I waste time? What can I improve tomorrow? Seneca's ritual. Every night, examine your conscience. This one habit alone can drive both wisdom and wealth. Chapter 16. Network with purpose. Stoics say, every relationship should be intentional. Darius's tip: spend time with people who add real value. Have deep conversations, not small talk. Remember, your network is your net worth, only if you choose it wisely. Chapter 17. Learn, unlearn, relearn. The wealth mindset isn't fixed. Each level brings new lessons. Stoic growth. Principle: every situation teaches something. Every setback holds an opportunity. Darius says, be a student for life. Chapter 18. Freedom is the final goal. In the end, all Stoic and wealth principles point toward one thing: freedom. Financial freedom, time freedom, mental freedom, true wealth, living on your terms, peacefully. Conclusion: the Stoic path is a journey, not a destination. The Stoic path to wealth teaches that wealth isn't just money, it's a lifestyle. Quick recap. 1. Master your emotions. 2. Prioritize time over money. 3. Focus on habits, not fantasies. 4. Embrace simplicity. 5. Think long-term and act daily. This path may be slow, but it's sure. Be stoic, be wealthy forever. So, friends, this was the summary of The Stoic Path to Wealth by Darius Foroux. If you found this valuable, do like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which lesson you're going to apply first. See you in the next video with another powerful book summary. Until then, stay wise, stay wealthy.